While you're sleeping tonight, someone will make $10,000 doing absolutely nothing. And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scam. These are 7 proven passive income streams that real people are using right now in 2025. Stay until the end, because number 7 is the easiest one to start today. Welcome to Wealth Decoded. I'm going to be honest with you. Passive income isn't truly passive at the start. Every stream I'm about to show you requires upfront work or capital. But once you build them, they generate income 24/7 with minimal maintenance. Let's dive in. First up, dividend-paying stocks. This is the most straightforward approach. You buy shares in companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or Procter & Gamble. These companies pay you quarterly just for owning their stock. Here's the math. If you invest $100,000 in stocks with a 4% dividend yield, that's $4,000 per year. That's $333 every single month. Not life-changing money, but it's literally money for doing nothing. The best part? Dividend stocks tend to be stable, established companies. They're not going to make you rich overnight, but they're also not going to disappear tomorrow. This is the foundation of any passive income portfolio. Number 2, high-yield savings accounts and treasury bills. Right now, in 2025, high-yield savings accounts are paying 4 to 5% interest. Treasury bills pay similar rates with literally zero risk. Let's say you have $50,000 sitting in a regular bank account earning nothing. Move it to a high-yield savings account at 4.5%, and you're making $2,250 annually. That's over $180 per month for doing absolutely nothing. Is it sexy? Number. Is it guaranteed? Yes. This is the safest passive income that exists. No stock market volatility, no business risk, just free money from the bank. Number 3, and this is where it gets interesting, digital products. Create once, sell forever. We're talking ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, music, Notion templates, spreadsheets. Here's why this is powerful. Once you create a digital product, there's no inventory, no shipping, no physical costs. Someone can buy it at 3 a.m. while you're sleeping, and you make money. A friend of mine created a simple Excel budgeting template. Took him 6 hours to make. He sells it for $19 on Etsy. He's made over $40,000 from that one template in 2 years. 6 hours of work. $40,000. That's passive income. The upfront work is significant. You need to create something valuable. But once it's done, it can sell for years with zero additional effort. Number 4, real estate rental income. This is the classic passive income play. Buy a property, rent it out, hire a property manager, collect checks every month. A single rental property can generate $500 to $2,000 monthly profit after expenses. The challenge? You need $50,000 to $100,000 up front for the down payment. And despite what people say, real estate is not completely passive. You'll deal with tenant issues, maintenance, and market fluctuations. But here's the truth. Real estate has created more millionaires than any other asset class in history. If you can afford to get in, it's one of the most reliable passive income streams that exists. There are also options like real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which let you invest in real estate without buying property directly. You can start with as little as $500. Number 5, peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Prosper and Lending Club let you act like a bank. You loan money to borrowers and earn 5 to 9% interest. This is riskier than savings accounts, but safer than individual stocks if you diversify. The key is spreading your money across hundreds of small loans. If a few default, you're still profitable overall. I know people earning 6 to 8% annually through P2P lending. It's not going to make you rich, but it's another stream adding to your total passive income. Number 6, index funds. This is the Warren Buffett recommendation. Buy an S&P 500 index fund and hold it forever. Historically, the S&P 500 returns about 10% annually over the long term. That includes dividends and price appreciation. If you invest $10,000 per year for 20 years at 10% returns, you'll have over $630,000. This isn't fast, but it's proven, it's boring, and boring wins when it comes to building wealth. Number 7, and this is the easiest to start today. Content creator passive income, YouTube ad revenue, TikTok creator fund, Medium partner program, Substack subscriptions. Here's the thing. Once you upload a video or article, it can generate income for years. I have videos from 2 years ago still making money every single month. The initial work is creating the content, but once it's live, it works for you forever. You don't need fancy equipment. You need a phone, a microphone, and consistency. This is the most accessible passive income stream for someone starting with $0. So there you have it. 7 passive income streams. None of them will make you rich overnight. But combine 3 or 4 of these, and suddenly you're making $2,000 to $5,000 per month in passive income. That's rent paid. That's freedom increased. That's options multiplied. The truth is, wealthy people don't have one income stream. They have 7, 10, 15 streams all working together. Pick one from this list and start today. Not tomorrow, today. If this was valuable, subscribe to Wealth Decoded for more real financial education with no BS. Drop a comment telling me which stream you're starting with. See you in the next one.